Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to recover accidentally deleted notes on iPhone. Now, as you know, you can delete and recover notes on iCloud.com. So you can delete notes that you no longer need. You can also recover recently deleted notes within 30 days. So again, within 30 days, after 30 days, they are completely gone. So as you can see, if you delete a note, right, in notes on iCloud, select the note you wish to delete, then you can click, obviously the trash and everything. And as you can see, when you delete a note, it's moved to the recently deleted folder on iCloud.com and on your devices that are signed with the same Apple ID. You can view and recover notes in the recently deleted folder for up to 30 days before they're permanently removed from all of your devices. If you wish to edit notes in the recently deleted folder, you must first recover them, right? So how can you recover them? In the notes on iCloud.com, select recently deleted in the folder list on the left, right? If you don't see recently deleted, you do not have any notes in that folder, right? And there is nothing to be recovered. Now, the second thing is select the note and click recover in the toolbar. The note moves to the notes folder. So there, as you can see, you have a recovered note. So you basically recovered a, accidentally deleted note on your iPhone. And as you can see, if you wish to move a recovered note directly to a folder you created, drag the note from recently deleted folder to another folder, right? Now, if you delete a shared note that you do not own, the note does not move to your recently deleted folder as well. So these are basically all the questions you need to know. How to recover accidentally deleted notes on your iPhone with iCloud. So if you have any questions or concerns, comment down below and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We're posting every single day Apple tutorials and other tutorials based on tech and web development as well. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.